Hey gang, Jose with Sailing Reverie. Just bringing you another quickie update. I was working on the plumbing, so I was able to run the plumbing from the compartment through the galley and underneath the sole. But in order to get it back, it's kind of a twisted and turn way of feeding hoses. And the 3 hoses that I have to feed through are not going to fit. So I decided to start taking the refrigerator apart to figure out a better path. And of course, every time you take something apart, you find more stuff that you have to deal with. So let me show you. In order to get this unscrewed, the way they build this, and I guess this is a good cross section, is they had a frame, and on that frame they slid down the icebox, the whole thing. Then they put the plywood on top. Then they screw the plywood from the top through the fiberglass. You can see here where the holes went in. And then they stuck this paperish Formica top. It's kind of a cheesy and it peels off pretty easy. So in order to get the screws out, I got to peel this off to get to the screws so I can unscrew the fiberglass out so I can take the rest of this box out of the way. So it's making quite a bit of a mess. But the other thing that I noticed is I guess the wood was the bottom of the cabinet for the storage unit back here. So I think what I'm gonna do is take this whole thing out. And then when I set the new fridge should take from here to pretty much where the icebox ends. So this will be a nice countertop area once I get done that I'll lift, and I'll have the cooler with the freezer and icebox in there. And then I'll redo this, so maybe I'll bring cabinetry from the edge all the way to the top with doors, and that'll gonna give me a nice setup for kind of a pantry and storing food and all that kind of good stuff. So it'll eliminate, this is kind of a whole, I'm going to call it the old traditional way of building the cabinetry for boats, which is somewhat impractical. You lose a lot of good space just in the, the context of look classic. So this is not attached back there. You can see where the cabinet is not attached to the back bulkhead. So I should be able to take the whole thing out to here where it connects to this other bulkhead, and then redesign the galley. So that should be pretty cool. So, but of course, dirty work first. Stainless steel screw. All right, progress. All right, I'm gonna have to cut this in pieces to be able to take it completely out, but I think this will be done here shortly. I got the box out. Now I'm gonna finish cleaning this up and getting all this insulating foam out, vacuum all this dry rotted wood, and get the area ready. So this is the end product. Clean up all of the debris from the dry rotted wood. And as you can see back in the panel, for those that were wondering, most of the Pearsons, it was just a teak veneer over a piece of plywood, and any kind of moisture, I mean, this is a pretty old boat, so it just peels right off. I mean, this all cleared out with just basically scraping it real quick. So I'm gonna finish removing that. So I'm gonna do some glass work. All right, gang, this is the end of the quick updates. I've run out of battery, so I have to finish it after the fact. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the button below. And we have one more day of work so we can finish doing the plumbing. They're taking the plumbing all the way to the aft side of the boat so we can connect our water pump. And finally, after, I don't know, probably 10 years, we're going to have water in Reverie, inside of Reverie. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.